Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In a previous video I looked at fitting the Fluke 1587 FC and its accessories from the basic kit into the Veto MB2. I said at the time that there are a couple of other kits that the Fluke 1587 FC comes in. There is actually a third set out there, which is the advanced maintenance kit. That actually comes with a phase rotation meter that you see just in front of the Veto Pro Pack and all its accessories, as well as the clamp adapter there. So we're going to see how well this lot fits into the MB2 case. As with the previous video, I don't have the i400 clamp adapter. The one I have is the MN09 from Chauvinard New here, which is 200 amp instead of being 400 amp. It's a little bit smaller than the i400, but I don't think it's a significant enough difference to be concerned about. So if all of that lot fits in to the MB2, I'll then see if I can get the extra items that I carry around with my Fluke 1587 FC, this lot here, these little adapters, fuse test probes, the VHAR 6-in-1 and the iPad 4 there. And we'll see if I can get those in as well. Okay, we'll start off with the front pouch here. I'm going to put the thermocouple into one of the little hex bit holders that's in the pocket here. So that's tucked away in there, and then the two croc clips, the dolphin croc clips from the meter, will go in there alongside that. It's not in properly, that's why. There we go. So that puts those two in there. In this pocket here I'm going to add in the remote probe, and along with 3-phase leads from rotation tester. To aid this, I've actually put the croc clips that come with that onto the ends of the leads, and then they can all go inside that pocket there. Push down, it keeps all them in place. The probes from the rotation tester I'm going to put into one of these side pockets. Like so, and then the meter I'm going to put in a slightly different manner. Before I would separate the leads and the probes. This time I've wrapped the leads up with the meter, and I've clipped the probes into the holders at the back, which fit very nicely into those holders with no problems. And you have to unzip first, top tip that. But that will go in to the pocket there, all the way down to the bottom. And my current probe here will slide in down the side all the way, and then my rotation meter sits in the top there, and we can zip that all up. You can, if you want to flip that around, you can put the rotation meter into the bottom and sit the meter on top if you use the meter probably more than you do the rotation tester, which is probably not a bad idea, is it? So yeah, you can slide the rotation tester all the way down there, and then the meter goes in the top there, and then current probe down the side there, still reasonably spacious in there. You can zip him up. And there you go. That's the Fluke 1587 FC, along with all the accessories that come with the advanced maintenance pack that would normally be in the C100 at the back over there. They can all go into the Veto Pro Pack MB2 case, and I still have an unused pocket just there. So looking now at the extra bits and pieces that I put into my version of the 1587 FC, the VHAR 6-in-1 will obviously go in one of those pockets there very, very nicely. So my iPad that would normally go in the top here, I'll just take the leads out temporarily, and he goes in there relatively easy. So See if I can get, he goes in okay. Yeah, going to be a bit more of a squeeze with the 3-phase test lead set. They do go. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, so it does. They do go in. You can get them in if you need to. My adapters. It may go in. I normally go in one of these side pockets. It's whether I can get. Okay. Yeah, they're going as well, and then that leaves me with my fuse test probes. Not sure how well these don't. It's straining a little bit at the leash there. That's as far as they'll go down inside those hex bit holders down there. Sure, down the side of them they do. Yeah, a little bit better, I guess. The other thing to do is to see if we can probably get them inside. Here there is a pocket down inside here, so they'll probably go. Yeah, they go inside there easy enough. And to be honest, those terminal adapters there would also go inside that internal pocket as well. So yeah, it does all go in. It's probably maxing it out. Not much room for anything else really, but essentially it looks like you can get it all in there. It just does make it a little bit fatter if I compare it. I mean, the sizing of the case is pretty much the same height as the C100. Width-wise, you'll see it's with everything packed in there. You can see it's come out a little bit wider than the actual C100 case. I guess it depends how you pack your gear and what kind of space you have in there, but it's not too bad. It looks like the Veto Pro-Pack MB2 is a reasonable good alternative against the Fluke C100 hard case. Certainly for the advanced maintenance kit with the 1587 FC, the basic kit and the current clamp kit. I say I don't have quite the right current clamp, but I think it gives you a good idea as to what would go in the case. I don't have the temperature probe either, so I don't know what size that is and how well that would fit in the case alongside the 1587 FC and the current clamp. I did look on eBay to see if there are any second-hand ones available to do this with, but unfortunately there wasn't. All the bits and pieces on there cost more than brand new items from my local electrical factors. So if you want them, shop around. eBay may not be a good place. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful, and I'll see you again in the next video.